Sunsky is located in one of the most high-efficiency cities in China, Shenzhen. We provide one-stop service for drop shipping sellers. So what does our one-stop service include? 1. Product sourcing and recommending. 2. Purchasing and shipping from China. 3. OEM, ODM. 4. Barcode service. 5. API access and Shopify data sync. 6. Amazon data feed. 7. One-for-one service by sales manager. 8. FBA service, customized labels and neutral packages for drop shipping. 9. Quality control. 10. Warehousing and fulfillment. 11. Free video and photo auditing. 12. Perfect customer management system. Behind such a comprehensive service system is a great team with the core values of trust, respect, accountability, integrity and team spirit. And an advanced system that can process thousands of orders quickly and accurately. Sunsky combined wholesale and drop shipping service. We insist on sourcing and developing good quality products with competitive prices. After cooperating with many popular brands in China, we have accumulated a wealth of supply chain resources that ensure high-quality products at significantly lower prices than retail. We will offer best price to ease your capital pressure, so that we can develop a mutually beneficial business relationship. We sell products to all over the world, more than 200 countries and regions. We have Hong Kong, US, UK, EU, AUS, JPN, UAE warehouses with free tax duty. Our major markets are the EU, North America, South America and so on. And we have already built reliable long-term business relationships, more than 100,000 partners. Now we can help you to create your own drop shipping online store. If you need any drop shipping service or fulfillment service, contact us today.